Aloha Kauai. Here is our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Thursday, April 8th. I'm Congressman Kai Kahele of Hawaii's 2nd Congressional District, and I'm pleased to be here on the island of Kauai. The Department of Health is reporting no new cases today. We currently have 9 cases in isolation, and 1 case is now hospitalized. We have 34 individuals in health-directed quarantine as close contacts. Our cumulative case count is 234, including 199 confirmed locally, 2 probable, and 33 tested elsewhere but reported after arrival on island. To date, we have administered more than 48,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccines on Kauai. We have moved into phase 2 of our vaccination program. This means all residents aged 16 and older are eligible for COVID-19 vaccines at clinics around the island. If you have not been vaccinated, please schedule an appointment now. Go to kauai.gov/vaccine. Vaccines are now available at the convention hall, all 3 local hospitals, at Long's CVS, Safeway, Walmart, and at the Kaiser Permanente Clinic. You do not have to be a Kaiser member to take an appointment there. Ho'olalahui clinics offer vaccine for their patients, and the VA is offering vaccine to all veterans enrolled in VA healthcare. The Department of Health has a one-shot Johnson & Johnson clinic from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the Convention Hall in Lihue on Monday, April 12th. To schedule an appointment, please complete the survey at kauai.gov/vaccine. Additionally, the Department of Health vaccine clinic at the Convention Hall in Lihue is now accepting walk-ins for Kauai residents aged 70 and older. If you are 70 or older and would like a vaccine, walk into the Convention Hall Tuesdays through Thursdays between 9 and 11 a.m. In addition to better protecting yourself from COVID-19, there are other benefits to becoming vaccinated. If you are fully vaccinated and are later identified as a close contact of a positive case, you will be exempt from the mandatory 10-day health-directed quarantine. Additionally, the county is working with the state to implement a program where fully vaccinated travelers may become exempt from the travel quarantine without pre-travel testing. Again, all residents aged 16 and older are now eligible to receive a vaccine. We encourage Kauai residents to make a vaccine appointment as soon as you can at kauai.gov/vaccine. Kauai has rejoined the state's Safe Travels program for trans-Pacific travelers. This means all travelers to Kauai, including inter-island and out-of-state travelers, can avoid the 10-day travel quarantine if they participate in the state's Safe Travels program, which includes taking a pre-travel test from a state-trusted testing partner within 72 hours of departing to Kauai. Results must be uploaded to your online Safe Travels profile prior to landing. Be sure to keep a paper copy of your test on hand in case you have trouble uploading your results. For more information on the state's Safe Travels program, including a full list of trusted testing partners, visit hawaiicovid19.com/travel. We also recommend you download the Aloha Safe Alert app onto your smartphone. Aloha Safe Alert is an official exposure notification application, and the app alerts you when you may have been in close contact with someone who put you at risk for exposure. This app does not track your location. We continue to encourage travelers and those who have been around travelers to take a free COVID-19 test. Free tests are available without an appointment at the convention hall from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., Monday through Friday, except holidays. Additionally, we thank our hotel partners who have committed to encouraging their guests to take post-travel tests. Visitors who take a post-travel test after arrival will receive a Kauai Kokua card, which offers discounts to businesses and activities island-wide. Thank you, mahalo nui loa, to Mayor Kawakami for inviting me to be a part of today's COVID-19 update.
This week is also National Public Health Week. Typically, when we think about people who keep us healthy, we think of doctors and nurses, but this pandemic has truly raised awareness of the importance of our public health officials. Their mission of strengthening communities through disease prevention and healthy lifestyles is a cornerstone of building a thriving community. My hope is that moving forward, we better appreciate the need for having a strong public health presence on our island, and we thank all those involved in public health for your dedication, especially throughout the past year. In recognition of Public Health Week, we present this proclamation to the top public health official on our island, Dr. Janet Berriman.
Thank you very much, Mayor. Thank you, Mayor Kawakami. On behalf of the Kauai District Health Office, thank you for this recognition of National Public Health Week and the work that our public health staff does. Public health usually does its work behind the scenes. In fact, we often say if we're doing our job well, no one sees it. The past year has certainly been an exception. It has been a challenging year, and of course, as we look back, there are things we could have done better. But especially here on Kauai, I think we can be proud of our work. Mahalo to everyone in the Kauai District Health Office, those of you who've been part of the team for decades, those of you who just joined us recently or as part of the COVID response, and the many volunteers who are an essential part of our team. Public health never does its work alone. Our work is collaborative and community-based. On Kauai, we are exceptionally fortunate to have worked arm in arm this past year with partners committed to protecting the health and safety of our community. I want to recognize and thank our partners in the healthcare community, in education, in community-based organizations, in businesses and the media, in the county's many departments, and especially you, Mayor Kawakami, for your leadership. Mahalo. Most of all, public health works with and for the people of our community. Kauai could not have navigated this last year as successfully as we have without the trust, sacrifice, cooperation, and perseverance of Kauai residents. Thank you for the ways you have each contributed to our island's safety and well-being. We're not finished with COVID yet, but we're making good progress. In recognition of National Public Health Week, if you have not yet been vaccinated, please make an appointment today. I thank you, and our community thanks you. Mahalo.
Mahalo again to Dr. Berriman and her team at the Kauai District Health Office and all those on our island dedicated to public health. Mahalo for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to wear your masks, wash your hands, keep your distance, please avoid large gatherings, and please consider getting a vaccine. Together, we can help to keep Kauai safe.